From receiving and white glove inspection to precise installation, we handle the logistics so designers can focus on what they do best, creating beautiful spaces. This is TriMarc. Let's make a mark together. Every day, we receive shipments with hundreds of pieces of furniture. As soon as they come off the truck, we check each item for damages. If we see any issues, we note it right away so we can report it if needed. Each piece gets a tag with the date, item details, and condition, with careful supervision. We don't just stack things anywhere. Every item goes into a specific section based on when it comes in. This keeps everything organized and in order by date. And we have our strictly enforced 3-day turnaround policy. Everything moves into storage within 3 days of arrival, no exceptions. TriMarc has an impeccable inspection process to ensure our clients' satisfaction. Our team takes extra care when inspecting furniture. First, our receivers carefully open and thoroughly check each item. Then, as an added safeguard, a quality control expert goes over it again. We call this our double inspection process. If it passes inspection, we wrap it back up in the original packaging and a label is placed stating its condition. If we find damage, we mark it, take photos, and notify the client immediately. No surprises. That's our promise of full transparency. If damage is found during the inspection process, color-coded tape is placed on the item by our initial receiver marking the damage location. The item is then reviewed by quality control for the final inspection to confirm the damages, and the claims department is immediately alerted. Photos are taken, documentation is completed, and the customer is notified immediately. Once the furniture has passed the inspection process, it's put into storage. Our certified pickers are the ones who move items in and out of our storage racks. Whether it's a new delivery coming in or furniture being prepped for an upcoming job, they keep everything flowing smoothly. As long as your package is in storage, you can rest easy knowing that it's safe, secured, and protected. Our climate-controlled facilities are monitored 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by networked security cameras. Additionally, our warehouse and individual storage racks are equipped with sprinklers in case of a fire. We don't just store your items, we keep you updated. Every single piece of furniture is carefully logged into our proprietary system called ADG Portal. Through ADG Portal, you have access to see your inventory, look at upcoming projects, damage reports, and local deliveries, all in real time. Before delivery, we double-check everything again during the staging process. We make sure all items are clean, assembled, and ready to go. When it's time for your delivery, simply submit a request through ADG Portal. Unlike other companies, we don't give time windows. We strive to give exact times. 2 days before delivery, we create a detailed pick sheet, so our team knows exactly what's needed and how to prepare for the upcoming job. Need a little extra? We offer special services like steam treatments for sofas and drapes, fabric protection for upholstered items and rugs. The end result of this process means our trucks are loaded carefully and precisely, making sure everything is organized for smooth unloading. TriMarc can deliver anywhere. No matter if it's a house in the suburbs or a high-rise apartment in the heart of a city, our skilled and experienced crews are trained to handle any type of situation. Before anything is unloaded, our delivery crew meets with the client and performs a thorough walkthrough where every detail is reviewed. We protect the floors and set up a safe workspace if needed to safeguard the client's space against any potential marks or scratches. Once installed, every piece gets a final wipe down, ensuring it looks flawless. We always try to leave any space better than we found it. And our work isn't done until the client is satisfied. We always get documentation that the job was completed accurately, and the client signs off on it. A successful model home or multifamily project starts long before any furniture is set up. It all comes down to how each item is handled, from the moment it arrives to how it's organized, stored, and carefully loaded onto the trucks. Every step matters for a flawless result, and that's exactly what we do at TriMarc Installation. Our receiving team inspects and labels each product with the model name and room designation, allowing our crews on location to set up rooms according to floor plans without constant guidance. TriMarc loads the products onto trucks in the order they'll be unloaded. Our project managers keep you updated with online receiving reports, and we handle any damages quickly to keep your installation on schedule. You can monitor these reports and check status updates at any time using ADG Portal. When TriMarc is on site, we can handle it all. We place rugs, furniture, beds, and accessories exactly where they belong. We hang artwork and mirrors and make sure drapes are hung, dressed, and steamed. When we're done, we take out the trash, polish the furniture, and vacuum everything clean. So the space is spotless, styled, and ready for your walkthrough. TriMarc is trusted by top interior designers who rely on us to deliver seamless results every time. Don't just take our word for it. Here's a satisfied client.
Hi, this is Ariel from the Sisters & Company, an all-woman design luxury interior design business. Now, we have partnered with TriMarc for over the years, and they have done a stellar job with fulfilling all of our installation needs. They are top-tier luxury, bringing the muscle to get our products in our client's home and stage and prep. TriMarc, an installation and logistics company providing service to interior design trade from concept to completion.
At TriMarc, we don't just move furniture, we handle every detail with care. From the moment an item arrives to the moment it's placed in its final spot, we make sure everything is done right. This isn't just storage. This is service. This isn't just moving. This is installation. This is TriMarc.